Всем привет! Welcome to my channel Ali's Yummy Food and добро пожаловать! Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate macarons stuffed with salted caramel. It's so good. Honestly guys, it's my favorite combination because I love chocolate, I love caramel, and two together is just pure heaven. They're really easy to make, and if you made my other chocolate macaron recipes, you'll find this one very easy. So enjoy this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave down all your comments if you want me to make macarons with other flavors. And now let's get baking. In a pan, add your water and sugar and combine it together over the low heat and stir it until the sugar has dissolved. And then we're going to add more heat and allow it to boil. If you don't want the bits of sugar caramelizing, just use a wet brush and just brush it around and cook the sugar syrup until it turns into caramel. This depends on your timing, so just keep brushing around and watching the caramel. Once you're happy with the color of the caramel, take it off the heat immediately. Then we're going to add the cream. And the mixture will start to bubble and hiss like an angry snake. Don't worry about it, just keep whisking and it will calm down. Then we're going to add the butter, 1 cube at a time, and just keep whisking until it is incorporated and you have finished all your butter. You can add the salt because it's salted caramel, but you can also opt out. The caramel should be nice and smooth, and then put it into a jar and it will store in a fridge for a long time. And you can use it any single time for any filling that you like. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at alisyummyfood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. In a food processor, add your icing sugar with almond powder and cocoa powder and blitz everything until it's nice and smooth. You can also do this at home with a sieve. Just make sure you do it 2 times or 3 times to sieve it through. Then we're still gonna sieve this mixture. So in a bowl, add your mixture and sieve it through using a spoon or just shake it off from your sieve. It is essential to do this so we don't have any large lumps in our macarons. Then the mixture is looking nice and well. We're going to set this aside. In a separate bowl, we're going to whisk an egg white and mix everything together until it becomes nice and foamy. You then want to add a little bit of sugar at a time while whisking, and your mixture should be nice and white and pale and like meringue sort of type. So keep whisking until you have nice stiff peaks. So add your meringue 1 tablespoon at a time into your dry mixture, and you just want to go around and mix everything together until everything is incorporated. This process takes some time and you do want to be patient and quite gentle while mixing everything together. So just keep going around, mixing it all until you start to see that the mixture becomes more chocolatey and more like a paste. Once you have finished, you're looking for a final sort of clue which will give you an indication the macarons are ready, that they kind of fall off your spatula and fall and sort of go around your bowl. So that's the time when it's done. Place your mixture into a piping bag and seal it from all the sides, and make sure you use a round piping tip. You then want to go around your parchment paper and a baking dish and put little blobs around. Shake it up, place it on the counter and hit it a few times from both sides, and leave it to completely set for about half an hour up to an hour until the macarons form a nice skin on top. So when you touch it, you should have no fingerprints of the chocolate left. We're going to bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And once they're done, they're gonna look so beautiful and lovely, just like this. You can place them together into 2 shelves so you can find similar sized. Take your salted caramel, place it into a piping bag, and then pipe onto each macaron shell. Because the salted caramel hasn't set completely, it will be very liquid, so be very gentle and gently press each macaron shell on top. I then like to place them into a freezer or fridge so the actual salted caramel sets pretty quickly. Before you do that, make sure you decorate your macarons into any way that you like. I'm adding some gold dust on top of each macaron shell, and these babies are ready to go and chill. There we go, guys. These are completely chilled. They look fantastic. They taste incredible. And when you bite into each one, you've got the salted and chocolate caramel flavors. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.